Information issued by the Bureau of Labor Statistics found that over half of all construction-related fatalities are caused by 4 actions, one of these being workers caught between objects. Specialty trade contractors hold especially high risk, bearing 48% of the industry's total fatalities. One of the more dangerous activities under this scope of trade is the installation of precast or tilt-up wall panels. The current installation process is easy enough to follow. With the help from a crane, a crew of tradespeople hoist up the panel and use their hands to push and pull it until it's plumb against the slab. Of course, with the intention of leaving all your body parts intact.
The danger here is when someone's trying to align the panel, the initial reaction is to put your hands on it to stop it from colliding with the panel that was previously set.
I checked the U.S. Department of Labor website to see how many tradespeople had been injured during this activity, but I was shocked when I found out, just several hours before I started this video, a San Antonio man had lost 2 fingers, involving this same process. Today, a Texas contractor is making headway to improve the safety of this procedure. This is the return hook. It bolts onto the precast wall. The extruding handles are used to align the panel onto the slab without putting your body at risk. There's a hole on the top of the device which can be used to bolt the hook onto the panel. This improves the user's stability when adjusting the wall. Here to talk more on this is Will Gant from Rogers O'Brien.
The panel arrives to the site on a truck bed. Once the panel is tripped from horizontal to vertical position, a rigger on a man lift disconnects the horizontal rigging from the panel. At this time, the hook can be installed. There are 2 tag lines installed on the back of the panel. The tag lines work to guide the panel to its point of installation. When the panel is within inches of the point of installation, an employee can then guide the panel into its position. The hook allows the crewman to move the panel horizontally and vertically without the risk of putting his or her hands in a pinch point.
So why would Rogers O'Brien put in this much work into safety?
Rogers O'Brien is a pioneer in technology and safety. When we saw one of our trade partners installing panels like this, we knew there was a better way.
Every job activity we do always begins with a JHA, Job Hazard Analysis.
The most important aspect of any Rogers O'Brien project is making sure our workers return home safely every day. There's always ways to improve. Finding a better way is one of our core values. This is one step closer towards that goal.
Your value is something that's deep-rooted, it's something that you believe in, and it's something that doesn't change over time. And that's what we want our employees and trade partner employees to feel about safety. We want them to do safety not because we're telling them to do it, but because it's the right thing to do.
This is just one of the numerous ways Rogers O'Brien is trying to improve the safety of their trade partners and reshape the construction industry. From wearable technology to motion wireless job site connectivity, you can always expect Rogers O'Brien to find a better way.